In this session, we'll do few real life examples and then we'll talk about certification. So, starting with the real life example, birthday schedule. Let's see what it is. Created a file. Before the comma is the name, the second is the date, and the third is the um, if it is a birthday or an anniversary. So, the job of this, the task of this birthday Python programming file is that it needs to check if today is the birthday. It needs to read the file birthday.txt. Then it needs to go through each line and then check if today anyone's birthday is today. If anyone's birthday is today, then it'll give the greetings. And if nothing, no birthday today, then yeah, it won't give any message. So the way it works is I've imported a date time to start with because I am dealing with date time here. Um, and I've defined a function called check today's birthday. So inside this, what I've first done is I'm opening a file birthday.txt and then in a read mode. Yeah, so my file has got the details of the birthday.txt. Now in a try except block, I am I'm reading the file. Now here I've used a new function called read lines. Now in our file session we have done read line, not lines. So here what I'm saying is reading all the lines and storing it in the lines variable. Then I'm defining a date time today. So getting the date. So this too is an important um, line of code to get current day in a date in a format in a day month format because I'm not interested in year because if the day and month matches then the birthday or anniversary is today. So I'm converting a date into such a format like today's day in such a format that I'm just getting day and month and then I'm printing today's date. Um, Next, I'm going running a big for loop, which is this bit, and I'm going through each line of the lines, which is each lines of the file, splitting. So I'm using a split function here uh, from the comma separated. So this one line will get split into a list with three values, Smith, date, and birthday, and so on and so forth. Then I'm getting the date out of that. So because we know in list it is 0, 1, and 2. So the first value is date. And then I'm converting this so that I get the day and the month. I am making sure if stripping any extra white space from both event day and today. And if today is same as the day in the first line of the code, then it's then I'm checking if the value 2 is it birthday or anniversary or something else. If it is something else, then I'm saying just congratulations. If it is birthday, I'm giving a special message saying wish you a very happy birthday. If it is anniversary, wish you a very happy anniversary. If none of them, if it's a different event, then just saying congratulations. Um, just having a try catch block just in case and then closing the file and line number 37 is where I call the function. So let's run this. Yeah. So when I run this, it is printing today's day is 18th of August and yeah, it's your birthday, Fish's birthday, and Harry Potter and Jenny are having their anniversary, um, which is very nice. So A nice piece of code where you can programmatically create a file of all your friends, family, pet, anyone, your favorite characters, and store it in this file. And then you can have this Python code like run in a Windows scheduler, or in a, if you're using Unix, you can run it in a cron job, and then run it daily. And daily you will get a message saying someone's birthday or someone anniversary or about so congratulations message, which will help you to remember, and then um, message your friend or family. So nice real life example. Next one is a very simple example, fortune telling. So I just wanted to go through with you certain new things which we have learned in our previous sessions. So uh, here I'm importing a random package, and then I'll be using it. So I've defined a function called magic statement. Yep. And the aim of this program is to just randomly tell um, how is your day going to be, or what does this fortune teller tells you about today. Yeah. Um, so it's just a kind of a play kind of a program. So might be interesting for kids. So line number 29, I'm calling the function, and the function, the first line of the function I'm doing is using this random package provided by Python. I'm saying I'm using the function rand int, and I'm saying randomly generate a number between 1 and 8 every time you run this program. So it will give me the value of x will be randomly generated, and based on the randomly generated value, I'm just printing the message. So if x is 1, your life will have a huge plot of twist, and so on and so forth. So value of 1 to 8, you get different messages, and you can just have fun with this program. So let's try and execute this, and things will get clearer. So give me your name. So that's my line number 7. And so it's a student. Okay, students, giraffe are taking over the world. So it made me laugh. Hopefully it brought you a smile as well. Let's run it again and let's see. So this was, so the number generated randomly was 8, surprisingly. Let's run it again, and again, students. Your life is going to be great. Wow, everyone would like to hear that, and there you go. So that's our example number 6, fortune teller. We have come to our end of our session for associate level Python programming. A few things to talk about certifications. So we have seen this page earlier when we were doing our entry level certification. So I'll go through this again. So PCEP is our entry level certification. If And we have gone through all the sessions. The videos are available. And in this series of session, we are talking about associate level certification. The details are here. Um, if you want to do professional level certifications, uh, first think about entry and associate, and then yeah, master yourself in Python for professional level certification. Again, I would say for kids in schools, more than certification for you, it is more of getting the fundamentals of Python and building the strong foundation, and then um, have fun with Python. For university and people who are thinking about their first job or changing job, for them certification could be helpful. Sometimes it is always good to have in your CV certifications, and that helps gives your CV a boost. Now, in terms of associate certified associate in Python programming, uh, so I've mainly covered the portion mentioned here. So we have we have done everything in control and evaluation, which is 25%. This is both from entry level and associate level. So whatever we have learned so far is covered here. In the data aggregate, uh, we have learned about string and all the several dozen um, functions provided by strings, and list, tuple, dictionaries. We have learned it all. So there you go, another 25%. Functions and modules. Yeah, we have learned about everything about functions and modules. We have learned about lambda as well, the if operator, classes, object, and exception. We have covered everything about class creation of class, creating an instance, object instance, and yeah, exception handling. I would say please practice as much as you can, and build your foundation in Python. So best of luck. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.